In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Notion calendar. Whether you're new to Notion or just looking to maximize its features for better productivity, this guide will help you get started with creating and using a calendar within Notion efficiently and effectively. First, we'll begin by navigating to the Notion website. Open your preferred web browser and type in Notion's URL, then hit enter. Once the home page loads, it's time to log into your account. Direct your attention to the top right corner, where you'll see the login button. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Now, to simplify the login process, opt for the convenient Continue with Google option. This will allow you to log in using your Google account credentials, streamlining the process. Simply click on it, select your Google account, and you should find yourself on the main dashboard of your Notion workspace in a matter of seconds. Once you've logged in successfully, navigate to the specific page where you wish to add a calendar. If you're organizing projects or events, having a dedicated page for your calendar will make things much easier to manage. Now, here's a neat trick. Within your page, just start typing Cash Calendar and you'll see a handy drop-down menu appear. This is one of the many useful quick commands available in Notion, making it incredibly user-friendly. Select the calendar option from this menu, and Notion will instantly insert a calendar template into your page. After inserting the calendar block, you'll want to change the view to Calendar View to really make the most of this feature. This view provides a clear visual layout of your schedule, allowing you to see your tasks and events at a glance. Simply click on the Calendar View option and the calendar will adjust accordingly, offering a more intuitive and visually appealing representation of your events. And there you have it. You've successfully added and viewed a calendar in Notion. From here, you can start entering your events, deadlines, and appointments directly into the calendar. Remember, utilizing the Notion calendar can significantly enhance your ability to organize and track various activities, ensuring you never miss an important date or deadline again. We hope this tutorial has cleared up any questions you might have about using the Notion calendar. If you're eager to explore more of its features, stay tuned for upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.